What's up guys, it's Chris Appleton. You may know me as a celebrity hairstylist.
The hairdresser of the year, Chris Appleton.
However, the real Chris Appleton, I don't think you guys have really seen. I'm all about good vibes, good hair, and generally just want to smile on people's face. You know, it looks really glamorous, but it's actually a lot of work. I've really tried and tested every aspect of hair. I put myself through the rounds. You just get in the zone and you know what you got to deliver. Whether you're just someone in your bedroom and you want to perfect a hairstyle that you're seeing on Instagram and you want to keep up with the latest trends, or you're an aspiring hairstylist that really just wants to nail your technique, let me show you a bit of the smoke and mirrors. Let me show you some of the Hollywood secrets. So follow this cheekbone and go right up. I'm going to give you an insight into the real hustle of being a celebrity hairstylist. So whether you want to snatch it back, lay it down, or pump up the volume, we're going to be having some happy hair days. Click the subscribe button and also write in the comments below what you want to see more of my world. I was just mumbling the fuck on, I'm sorry.
No, this is great.
I'm exhausted.
Do you need just a cup of water?
Should we do some hair?